Welcome back to Learn PHP on Code Academy. We're in the Intro to Built-in PHP Functions section. This is number functions. Another common task in programming is working with numbers, so it shouldn't surprise us that PHP comes with some handy built-in functions for working with numbers. The apps function returns the absolute value of its number argument. Here we have echo apps with negative 10.99 passed in, and it's going to print the absolute value of 10.99. Here we have echo apps with 127 passed in, and it prints 127. Another useful function is the round function, which returns the nearest integer to its number argument. We echo round with 1.2 passed in, it prints 1. We echo round with 1.5 passed in, and it prints 2. Same thing here, echo round with the number passed in, and it does go up to the correct value. Let's practice. You're going to write a function which uses the app's built-in function within its definition. Write a function called calculateDistance that calculates the distance between two numbers. The function should return the same result for two arguments no matter what order they're passed into the function. Here are some examples of how the function should work. If we do calculateDistance with negative 1 passed in and 4, it should return 5. If we do calculateDistance with 4 passed in and negative 1, it should also return 5. 3 and 7 should return 4, and so should 7 and 3. Once you've finished writing your function, you should run it to make sure it's working how it should. Check out the hint if you want some help on the strategy or a reminder about how to define your own functions. Let's do that now. Let's run that. We do pass. 2 says, awesome. This time you're going to write a function which uses the round function. Write a function, calculateTip, which takes a number representing the total cost of a meal as its argument. The function should calculate a new total with an 18% tip added and return that value rounded to the nearest integer. Your function must invoke the built-in round function. For example, calculateTip with 100 should return 118, calculateThirty-five should return 41, calculateTip 88.77 should return 105. So let's do that here. So we pass in total, and then we add a 18% tip, save it into total with tip, then we do round and pass in total with tip, and it should always return the total with tip rounded. Let's run this, and we do pass. So we're learning here some number functions. We learned about the apps function, which is going to return the absolute value of the number we give it, and we learned about the round function, which is going to return the nearest integer to the number argument we provide. As long as you're understanding that, you guys are getting number functions, and I'll see you in the next one.